It's supposed to look like this. Ready?
Chief is a family-owned, Nebraska-based company comprised of 7 diverse brands. Chief, trusted, tested, true.
Good morning, everybody. You will find us in the shop today because I don't know if you can hear, but there is some rain pitter-pattering down over our heads. It has been raining all night, and so we decided to hole up in the shop today and fix something we've been putting off for a while. This is the farm's big mower. We use this to mow field entrances, ditches, around pivot points, big areas of weeds, that kind of thing. And it has been sitting in the weeds for over a year now. We broke it last summer, and let me show you what broke because it's kind of nasty. So this right here snapped clean in half. It's kind of sharp. It's supposed to look like this. Obviously it doesn't. So this mower is kind of old, but we really like it. So we're going to get it all fixed up. Gearbox is okay, it just needs a new shaft put on it because when that thing broke, the actual mower just dropped right out from the bottom and it hasn't been in use ever since. So we're going to put a new shaft in it and get it all cleaned up, maybe even mow some areas when it dries up a little bit. But we're considering trading this in, maybe for something a little bit bigger, maybe for a batwing, but we'll see how this fixing project goes.
No problem.
How's it going under here?
Oh, just bench pressing for an hour.
You
5 pounds for an hour is really heavy.
You look comfortable.
Oh yeah, this little creeper deal doing its thing.
Can we go up maybe?
Yep. Oh, that's as far I can go.
Alright, it's like washers again. Like it's lined up. It's almost perfect. Just like wash. Keep going.
Little camera courage here.
Telling you, you pull out the camera, all of a sudden things start going right.
You wanna hit it with a mallet?
You hit the mallet?
With the bottom where you're at?
Yeah, where's it at? The mallet.
Oh, it's right here.
I think there's one watching that mallet on there.
There's 2. Here, stop spinning it.
Realize this looks pretty unsafe with Grant just hanging out under the mower, but don't worry. I have this chain hoist here, and that is secured holding it up, just in case the hydraulics were to fail. In the last video, I was talking about how we wanted to plant some more trees in our yard. Guess what? We got some planted. So we got 5 put out here in this front yard here, and 2 more over by this building. And the area we originally wanted to plant trees is over here, and so hopefully those will be coming soon. We have some exciting new additions to our yard. If you've been following along for a while, you know that this summer especially was a big project for us to redo our lawn. And it is looking pretty good. I'm realizing now it looks kind of patchy and yellow, but it's December. Look at how green our grass is in December. And like I said, it is raining, and so those new trees are getting a little moisture on them, which makes me really excited. Living on an acreage like this, there are always a million things that need to be improved, and getting a lot of trees put in is big on my to-do list. I know that we'll be improving this property probably for the rest of our lives, as long as we live here. 8335R looks like she needs a bath. It's dirty. Step is going to be putting this back on under the mower. A subscriber sent us this rolly chair a long time ago, and I was skeptical at first, but that's probably my favorite rolly chair in the whole shop. Works really well, it glides smoothly. I think we're going to use it not to sit on, but to wheel this enormous, heavy spinning blade under the mower. Set it right on like that. Yeah! And roll it under. Then we can thread the nut, lift that up. It should be reattached. Unconventional, but it works. Okay. Do you want me to lift too, or just put this on?
Why don't you lift to begin with?
Okay, ready?
Yep.
3.
Over here. We need to spin it.
Okay, looks like wiggle it a little bit. And spin it.
We need to come down.
Yeah, it's like,
Okay, let's look.
yeah, let's set it down a little bit.
Ready? Come down. Wow, this thing's heavy.
Yeah. Okay, Gage, push on yours a little more.
Yeah, I'm pushing as much as I can.
Okay, set down a little bit.
Watch your knee.
Okay, we're gonna get it square. Okay, Gage, can you reach up there and turn that shaft?
Yeah.
Fingers. Hi.
Let's set it down.
That's heavy.
Woo.
That's not gonna be heavy fast.
I need to like lay down on my back and push my feet or something.
Over this side. And I just kicked the washer.
Okay, spin it from the side like this.
It, like the PTO
Yeah.
looking one.
Okay.
Yep, just spin it a little bit. And then Gage and I will try to wiggle it on.
I got the nut over here.
Okay.
Ready?
Come on.
Sorry, going.
Oh, come on, set it down.
Oh, that's a lot heavier to people.
Yeah. Okay. Wiggle, wiggle. It's like
It's not, we're not even in the hole.
Oh, there we go, there we go.
okay, spin. Okay, push, you guys, push. Oh yeah.
Hey, can you get?
Yeah, a little more, a little more.
We gotta go up about half inch.
Laura, push, Laura, push.
I'm coming. Squeeze my shoulder.
There we go.
Anything?
You get the washer over there?
Okay, we gotta go up a little bit.
Oh, there we go.
Come on.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay. Yeah, just keep going as much as you can.
There we go.
Okay,
Okay,
remove
it's
slowly.
It ain't going anywhere.
Okay. Look at there.
Holy shit.
Hey.
Let's use the impact. Suck that sucker in.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so we're good. Oh, spin. Go. A little more. Might be too much. Leave right in the middle of this.
Okay,
We're trying to get a cotter pin in there.
Yeah. We can get one in there.
Nice.
so I'm gonna
Just spin it.
yeah, spin. You gotta spin the whole thing now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Keep going.
Perfect. Excellent work.
Seals back in, Laura.
Do we have to push this one in still?
Got the gearbox put back together, filled it up with oil to the appropriate line on the dipstick, and now we are just comparing sides to see how it all fits together.
It should stay. That side should stay.
Getting the tools cleaned up and the chains put on, and then the guard around that PTO shaft put on. We unhooked it, put the sway blocks back on that we'd previously taken off for pivot track closing. We got the PTO shaft lubed up and moves freely now. And we were going to hook it up and run it, but the PTO shaft tines do not line up. The tractor is a big 1000 and the shredder is a baby 1000. So we're just going to hook it up and wash it and see how it looks. I think in the fixing of this, we have decided that we are going to trade this off for a new shredder. It has been raining steadily but slowly all day and the ground is just soaked, which honestly is really good. I think we needed this. Thank you for hanging out with me, Grant Gage, in the shop on this cold, rainy day. Got a good fix in, and I just want to say quick before you go that Aurora Farms t-shirts make the perfect last-minute Christmas gift, and they're available on the website in the description under this video. You can also buy them directly under this video. I don't say that very often, but if you do know someone who likes my videos, or if you yourself really like them, I have shirts and hats and sweatshirts and cold weather gear available. All right, we will see you in the next one. Bye.